Today we will discuss one of the most exciting concepts, time capsule, which is associated with time travel. Have you ever thought about how time can be used in interesting and miraculous ways? Humanity's creative thinking, always striving to discover the secrets of the world around us, finds the opportunity to travel through different time periods. If you, like me, are excited about scientific topics, don't miss this video. Grab a cup of hot tea and get ready to embark on this astonishing and mysterious journey with me. I know this topic is definitely interesting and exciting for all of us, so share your thoughts and criticisms with us at the end of the video. Entering the realm of the time capsule, one of the most intriguing subjects. Let's delve into this strange and fascinating phenomenon. How does a time capsule work, and how does it make time travel possible? Time capsules are mysterious objects that have captivated the curiosity and imagination of people from the past to the present. Shedding light into the depths of history, these intriguing phenomena invite us on a journey through time with the secrets they hold within. Time capsules can also serve as a means to leave a message to future generations. Imagine a time capsule where you can place a few mementos from your loved ones, some items from today, and perhaps a letter, leaving a trace for the future. Years later, those who open this capsule may gain a glimpse into the era you lived in, allowing them to better understand that period. Furthermore, time capsules can be seen as treasure chests where interesting discoveries are made. When time capsules buried, forgotten, or mysteriously lost in the past are uncovered, the secrets within them act like a time machine, transporting people to the past. These discoveries not only enable us to confront historical realities, but also help us better understand humanity's journey and evolution. Time capsules have been an intriguing subject in many cultures throughout history. These capsules are designed to preserve objects or information collected at a specific time for future generations, or even for ourselves, safeguarding them from the ravages of time. Time capsules not only serve to transmit historical records, photos, letters, and other items to the future, but they also evoke a sense of time travel, stimulating human imagination. This interesting concept helps people establish a connection between the past and the future and satisfies their curiosity about time travel. Thus, time capsules not only preserve material objects, but also defy time by carrying people's memories and emotions into the future. Creating a time capsule is a wonderful opportunity for both individuals and communities to pass on historical memories and lifestyles to future generations. These capsules enable people to reflect the emotions, thoughts, and lifestyles of that moment. By creating a time capsule that reflects the significance and importance of that moment for the future, a time capsule also acts as a time machine, transporting past memories and experiences to the future. When future generations open the time capsule, they have the chance to discover details of that era and explore the lives of people at that time. This unique and special application brings people together, enables communities to create memories together, and preserves the importance and value of a moment by freezing time and carrying its significance to the present and future. The time capsule gathers people as a magical way of transporting the past to the future, keeping their memories alive forever